Good morning students. Now we'll continue exercise 6.2 as we have left some numericals. So let's finish to the exercise 6.2. See, I'm going to solve now. Question number 3. A diagram is made here. I'm just making for you. Two lines are parallel to each other and a segment is perpendicular between them. The two lines are, the first one is AB and CD. It is the third question of exercise 6.2. Now you'll find that a segment is drawn from this perpendicular from E to G. Now we can say that if one perpendicular is here, so if it is a straight segment, this angle will also be a perpendicular angle. And now we are going directly for the solution. What you have to find here? We have to find AGE. Okay, F is written here, sorry. Then GEF as well as FGE. Okay, FGE, clear? AGE, GEF and FGE. So shall we start now? Solution. What is given to us actually? It is given that AB is parallel to CD as well as EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. And the value of GED is given as 126 degree. Clear? So if GED is given 126, easily I can find GEF. How? I will write here angle GEF is equal to, got it, GEF. Actually I have to find GEF. So I will start from angle GED. Write like this: GED is equal to angle GEF. GED is the exterior angle and GEF and FED are two adjacent interior angle. Okay, FED. So it is given as 126 is equal to angle GEF plus 90. So it is 126 minus 90 is equal to angle GEF. So what is the value of angle GEF? GEF is equal to 36. Clear? GEF is what? 36. We got the one value here, 36. Now can we find FGE, our requirement? See, we got this one. Now to find FGE. So we can put the angle sum property. So we'll write here in triangle EFG, I will write angle FEG. Okay, that what I found, FEG or EF, you can write anyway, plus angle GFE plus angle EGF. EGF is equal to 180. What is the reason? It is what? Angle sum property. It is angle sum property. So let's put down the values now. It is 36 plus GF is what? 90 plus EGF. EGF is equal to 180. So EGF, or I am writing FGE, that is equal to 180 minus the sum of 90 and 36 is 126. So it is a 54 degree, right? We got the two values. Clear? The 54 and 36. Now what is remaining now? Angle AGE. Okay. So AGE. And what is the value of GED? GED is what? 126 already given. So can we find directly that, see, we'll write here, since angle AGE is equal to angle GED. Anybody guess why? It is alternate interior angle. AG is equal to GED. So what we have to find? We have to find AG, and simply the value of angle AGE is equal to 126. So these are all what we done according to our requirement: 126, 54 as well as 36. So just take a glimpse of whole solution once again. Okay, even you can stop the screen and you can find the way to write. One thing, make sure that whenever you are writing any kind of property, mention here. Okay, this will improve your basics. So let's move quickly to the question number 4. I hope you must be missing to the school. So let's pray to the God that very soon we will have our school. Now question number 4 is, you can see the diagram is given like this. In between, just I like to tweet you that those who are missing the schools will send me the message with their name. I just want to know that how much you are missing the school and the teachers. Okay, now it is 110 and it is 130. Clear? Now what you to find here? See, given is PQ, okay, is parallel to ST. You can say that this line is little bit downer than this one, as well as angle PQR is given as 110, okay, and angle RST is given as 130. So to find angle QRS, not a big task, a little bit twisting, but you can do. How you find angle QRS? Let's go for the solution. Now what we will do, we will make a construction here. What is construction? That drawn, don't write draw. You are not ordering, you are not printing a book, you are just making a solution. To write drawn, all the alphabets are there. You write RA parallel to what? PQ, and RB, just see very clearly, RA and RB, you will get the idea. RB parallel to ST. I am sure you will have good conclusion will come in your mind that now what you to do. See, it is the interior pair. So we'll write here angle PQR plus angle QRA is equal to 180. Interior pair. Okay, it is what? Interior pair. So PQR is given as 110 degree plus angle QRA, you have to find out 180. So what is the value of angle QRA? It is 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degree. Sure, it is now 70. By same way, we are moving towards the right side now. So in right side, we will write here angle TSR. Okay, what will write here? Angle TSR plus angle SRB is equal to 180. It is what? Interior pair of angles. Interior pair of angles, same region. So TSR is given 130 plus angle SRB is equal to 180. So angle SRB is what? 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. Okay, now here it is. Now, if you'll observe this figure very closely, what you'll find? You'll find that ARQ, QRS and SRB are lying on the same line. So they are making what? Interior pair of angles. So what we'll write here? We'll write since angle ARQ plus angle QRS plus angle SRB is equal to 180. Reason is what? Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. So now let's put the value. QRA or ARQ is what? 70 plus QRS, that we have to find out, plus SRB 50 is equal to 180. So therefore the value of QRS will be 180 minus 120. So it is 60. Clear? Even you can solve by this way also. Okay, QRS is what? 60. So once again you see the glimpse of the whole equation once again, how the solution has been done. Okay. Now let's quickly move to the next question. It is the third one. Sorry for the interruption little bit. Now let's move quickly to the third question. Now third one is also very interesting and you will love to solve it. Question number 5, sorry, it is the fourth one now. We did a question number 4 and now it is question number 5. What is question number 5 is given? Let's make the diagram. I will always suggest you to make a diagram whenever you are solving such a type of geometrical questions. So you will have your own ideas and views while solving the questions. So it is what? A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. And then you'll find a triangle is formed here, P, Q and R. Okay, this one is given as X, Y, 50 and PRD. You'll find PRD is also given as what? 127 degree. So simply you have to find the value of X and Y. So what you'll do here? Just see the diagram, just think about something you can get very clearly, and for someone you have to proceed. So 50, this angle is what? 50. Okay, and Y is there. Clear? So how I'll find X now? How I'll find X? That is the question. So can we say that if the two lines are parallel and PQ is the transversal, so this is what? Alternate interior angle. Simply I will write solution that angle APQ is equal to angle PQR. What is the reason? They are what? Alternate interior angles. So I got angle PQR is equal to 50. PQR, that is X is equal to 50. Now I need Y. So just think one more idea. Okay, how to find Y? See, we have done exterior angle property, that is angle PRD is exterior angle of triangle PQR. Okay, PRD is exterior angle. So I can write here, wait, angle PRD. What I will write? Angle PRD is equal to angle RPQ plus angle RQP. Okay, so PRD is given 127 and RPQ, the value of RPQ is Y, and RQP, that is PQR we got here 50. So simply I will transfer 50 this side. So I will get 127 minus 50 is equal to Y. Therefore Y is equal to 77. Sure. So dear friends, question number 6 is there. I am giving a hint. You just draw a bisector here. Okay, and you can prove it by taking what? Alternate angle. So just I am looking this question. If you want to solve, you can. Otherwise, you have to prepare 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd and 1st question for the examination. Clear? Whatever questions I am giving as assignment as well as I am solving here, that only you have to solve. So it is not mandatory that you are going to solve question number 6. Clear? So till 5 I have given you the solution by the different way and with particular property. So continue to prepare your notebooks, write in a proper way, and whenever we will meet face to face, I will check everyone's notebook. Clear? So stay home, stay safe and take care of your health. Goodbye.